Top 5 Best Mortisers. Number 5. Makita 7104L 10.5 amp chain mortiser. The Makita 7104L stands out for its ability to cut through thick wood stock quickly and accurately, thanks to its powerful 10.5 amp motor. This chain mortiser is perfect for timber framing and log home building, making it a specialized tool for certain woodworking tasks. Despite its power, it's highly portable, weighing only 38.1 pounds, which is a notable advantage for its category. With a cutting speed of 3,200 RPM, the Makita 7104L is incredibly efficient at notching or cutting through holes in thick wood. It can handle lap joints up to 5 1/8 inch thick, making it one of the more capable machines on the market for large woodworking projects. The chain is razor sharp, providing clean, precise cuts every time, and the large adjustable vise and knob allow it to handle logs from 3 1/8 inch to 12 1/8 inch thick. Designed for quick and efficient work, the Makita 7104L is ideal for professionals working on large-scale wooden structures. The innovative design, combined with its powerful motor and sharp chain, make this one of the top chain mortisers available. Coming in number 4, Delta 14-651 Mortiser. The Delta 14-651 is a professional-grade mortiser designed for stability and versatility. It features easy access to the drill chuck for changing bits, along with a large cast iron base for solid support during tough jobs. The adjustable rack and pinion fence, as well as the adjustable rack and pinion head, make it easy to make fine-tuned adjustments to meet your needs. For even more versatility, the mortising head column can be rotated 180 degrees and remounted for off-table mortising, offering more flexibility in your work. The adjustable fence and hold-down system further enhance precision, while the dovetail way on the mortising head allows for intricate jobs with minimal fuss. Equipped with a powerful 1/2 horsepower motor, this machine operates at a feed speed of 1725 RPM, providing smooth-sided, burn-free results. The Delta 14-651 includes a gas-filled head stabilizer for steady, controlled operation and a multi-position feed lever for added torque, particularly when working with harder woods. It's also built with a solid, stable base to ensure it holds up even during heavy-duty tasks. In terms of setup, the 14-651 features an adjustable depth stop that locks down securely, so you don't have to worry about accidentally cutting too deep. With its stable build, advanced features, and included tools and chisels, this mortiser is a great option for both professionals and serious hobbyists. Coming in number 3, Powermatic PM701 Benchtop Mortiser. The Powermatic PM701 is a heavy-duty benchtop mortiser built for precision and ease of use. Its reversible handle can be installed on either side of the head without the need for any tools, making it highly adaptable. The PM701 also comes with 2 integrated bit and chisel spacers, simplifying setup time. With an inline depth stop, you can stop at preset depths without worrying about racking the bit to the base. This mortiser's stock hold-down system features a double lock system, preventing slippage and ensuring stable, precise cuts. Additionally, the Powermatic's quick action cam lock allows the fence to be locked in position with a simple 90-degree movement, saving time during adjustments. A large, hinged chuck door with a magnetic catch makes accessing the chuck quick and easy, while the integrated tool holder and sharpening stone add further convenience. Another feature that sets the Powermatic PM701 apart is its large work surfaces. The table and fence are designed to be sturdy and provide a stable foundation for more accurate cuts. Its overall build and added features make it a top choice for anyone needing a high-performance, easy-to-use mortiser. Coming in number 2, Shop Fox W1671 Heavy-Duty Mortising Machine. The Shop Fox W1671 is a heavy-duty, durable mortiser known for its power and precision. It's shipped in more than one box, so be prepared for a bit of a wait while it all arrives, but once it's together, it's well worth it. Its swiveling base is unique, offering the versatility of off-the-bench operations. Combined with a gas spring return, double support columns, and an adjustable depth stop rod, the W1671 is an incredibly powerful tool. One of the best features is its micro-adjustable fence, allowing precision with every cut. The machine's heavy-duty fence and hold-down system prevent unwanted wood movement and sticking chisels, a common issue with lesser machines. With the W1671's solid steel handle, hardened and ground twin columns, and tool holder, it's one of the most popular machines among woodworking enthusiasts for a reason. Additionally, its extra height capacity allows it to handle stock up to 7 3/8 inch thick, offering further versatility. Coming in number 1, Jet JBM5 Benchtop Mortiser. The Jet JBM5 Benchtop Mortiser offers versatility with its reversible column, which allows it to handle larger stock. Its long, multi-position mortising handle ensures you can reposition the feed handle to make operation easier and find the optimum handle position. Powered by a robust 1/2 horsepower motor, this mortiser delivers smooth performance, making it consistent and reliable for various jobs. With a quick adjust depth stop, achieving uniform mortise depths is hassle-free. Plus, the removable on and off toggle switch prevents any accidental or unauthorized use, adding a layer of safety. The 3-jaw drill chuck grips mortising bits securely, with a capacity for bits up to 3/8-inch diameter shanks. This machine's thoughtful design also features 2 hinged side doors, giving easy access to the drill chuck when needed.